Mary Beth from MBGray Designs. I've got an awesome Dollar Tree haul for you today. I got quite a bit of fall, but they had Christmas out. Now, I didn't go crazy on Christmas, but I did get some really cute stuff. So if you are interested to see what I found today at Dollar Tree, stay tuned. All right, so I picked out this garland. Now, it's very sparse if you spread it out, but you can always add and make it fuller. But I really liked the color of these leaves. I mean, I have some of the orange and yellow ones, but I really did like this. So I picked that up, and look at this cute thing. I had not seen these before, but they're just little, well, fake wood or wood, whatever. Little cute things, Hello Pumpkin and Harvest Blessings. So I thought those were cute. And then I got a few of these. I haven't gotten these yet, and I thought it would be fun to do a DIY with these. And then of course I saw they had a lot of these pumpkins with the letters, but of course I'll paint over it. So there's that. And then I finally found these little owls. I've seen other people redo them, and they're so cute. My mom loves owls, so I want to make something for her. And I've got a lot more, so bear with me. But here's just some examples of some of the pumpkins I got. Now, this one, I probably should have paid more attention because these are like engraved in, but I can just use some wood filler or whatever, spackling or something to cover that up. And I'll probably leave these. These are engraved in and just repaint or do whatever, but I think it's really cute. I like the stem on it. So, and it's like ceramic. I don't know. And then there's this and this. So yeah. All right, moving right along. I was very excited to find these window clings. Now, I did find the other day the ones where it's just leaves and the one that has the big turkey and a couple things, but there are so many other ones that are so super cute that I have not personally found, but I really do like these. So I'm gonna be doing some stuff with that. And then I did pick up a couple of these cute little box, you know, whatever, wood signs, particle wood signs, whatever they are. So I got a couple more of those. And I did pick up some of these little pumpkins. Now I have like the medium size or a little bit bigger, but I did get a few packages of these smaller ones. I thought they were super cute. Now I got this. Now bear with me. I was looking at the wreath form, and I thought of course I can put this together, and I'll take all this stuff off and make like a pumpkin something. So we'll see what I can do with that. All right, I was really excited to find the Harvest DIY words because I have not been able to find these, so I was very happy about that. As well as I got the Haunted Spooky MBGray. I don't do a lot of Halloween DIYs, but I am going to do some. And then let's see, these are the autumn ones. Okay, now I did pick this up. It has the wood football and 3 pumpkins. I love the size of these, so I'll be taking this apart and using these. So stay tuned for that. And then let's see if I can fit any more on here. Well, we'll go over this one, and then I'm going to clear this off and we'll come right back. But I got several of these. Thankful, Gather, and Thankful. I like these. I like that it's like a window thing. And yeah, I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with these, but I will come up with something. All right, I'm going to clean this. I'll be right back to share the rest of the haul. Okay, so I did pick up some more repeat flowers. I got some dahlia bush. And then I've had these, and I used a little bit of like truffle paint. I kind of knocked the brightness down a little bit, but I hadn't seen these colors, so I picked up those. So I just had to get a little bit more of the flowers. I found this cute container. I haven't seen this one yet at my Dollar Tree, so I thought it was really cute. I got a bunch of these leaves in different colors. I'll show you those when I find them. I think it was red, this color, and orange. I'm gonna try to put together a cute banner. I got a few of these. I had not, the first time I've seen these. I know a lot of people have used them, but I just got them in my store. I got this just a plain, I haven't seen just a plain chalk like this. So, and it's pretty good size, you know. So yeah, got that. And look at these cute little door hanging pillows or whatever they are. I have a couple more. We'll run across those in a moment. But it says, Happy Harvest. Isn't that cute? I thought that was really sweet. Okay, yeah, here's the other colors. I got the kind of a burgundy, maroon, orange, and this. And these are good size too. These are, you know, if you look at my hand, they're pretty big. They're pretty big. So I'm going to be making some type of a banner with that. And then, let's see. Oh, there's another one of those. Oh, I got some Christmas, so I'll get back. I'm setting my Christmas aside. We're almost to Christmas. I love this ribbon. I get it every time I see it. I really like it. And I did pick up some of the regular colored leaves, just the single package. I like to glue these on separately, you know, to different things. And I picked up these eyeballs. But I'm going to be using them maybe for a garland. I'm not really sure on those quite yet. And I picked up another little pumpkin. Okay, almost to Christmas. Almost. Bear with me, people. Oh, I had to replenish. If you saw my boho fall collab, I used a lot of this white nautical rope, so I was really happy to see they had a bunch. So I picked up a few more kind of to just replenish that. I did have to pick up just some spackling, and I got some of these little cones because I did figure around Christmas time I might use these. Oh my God, these smell so good. It's like a little broom, but it's the cinnamon. Smells so good. So I'll definitely be using that in some DIYs, for sure. Okay, so I don't see the 11 by 14 very often, so I did pick that up. I also got, they had a couple of these, like these are smaller. What size are these? The bamboo wreath. This one is a 12-inch, and I believe this one is, oh no, it looks totally smaller. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell, but I guess not. And then here's another one of those pillows. Let me set this down. I have way too much stuff going on. This one says give thanks. Isn't that cute? I have never seen these. Some Spanish moss. That's not very exciting. I found this. Now I'm not into the big glitter, but it's a light up pumpkin. So it does light up. Now it is a jack-o'-lantern. But I thought it was really cute, so I'll probably just, you know, paint it or do whatever. Again, I'm going to do a few Halloween DIYs, but not a lot of them. I did get this ribbon, and then I might as well start showing you some Christmas. They had these two ribbons. I think they had a few kinds, so I got this one. I did get this as well, which I think could go for fall or Christmas. So I was excited about that. And then, oh my goodness, I got a couple of these football wreaths. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm not gonna make a football, so I'm not really sure. I don't know. We're gonna see. And oh my God, I was so excited to find these because I've seen people use them, and I was excited. So I picked up those. And let me show you the other ribbons I got. A couple green. These are kind of Rogaine, I think they're called, you know. Kind of a tannish cream color, the brown and the green. I really liked those. So I did get this Look how cute that bucket is. I thought it was super cute. So I got that. Wow, I got a lot of items. It's ridiculous. I just, like I said, couldn't believe this store. It was crazy. Yeah, I went through that one. Okay, Christmas. So let's move on to Christmas. Get this one out of the way. All right, so I got this cute little snowman. Isn't he cute? And he's big. I think they probably had these last year. Now, I don't know which ones they've had or not last year, because, anyway, Merry and Bright. Okay, my battery died, but I was showing the Merry and the Bright. And then look at this cute little truck with the Christmas tree. I thought that was cute. And I love the gingerbread man. He has real little buttons. He's so cute. Okay, so I got those. Also, there's a little Santa Claus. He's cute too. All right. Then I found, and again, some of these, I'm sure they had these probably last year, but these ornaments, is that how you say that? And then they had this cute little, they had several different kinds of gnomes. So there's that. Oh, okay, I got another truck. I don't know if I showed you this ribbon, but I really like it. So I got that. And then I got, and oopsie, the thing came off the top. Here it is. But these kind of make your own decorative ornament thing. See if I can fix this. There we go. I think I got it. But yeah, I got just a few of these, couple of them. And then they have these, and I like that these are thick, these wood Christmas tree cutouts. So I got a couple of those, and I got a couple of the bells. Again, I think they're pretty thick. These are real wood. And then they had, just like they do for fall and Halloween, but this is the Peace, Joy, and Believe. And I think, oh wait, no, one last item. They had the candy cane wreath forms, so I picked up a couple of those. So they had quite a bit of Christmas in my store. Not a tremendous amount, probably about a half of a aisle or whatever. So again, I was just surprised. I didn't know they already came out with Christmas. So I did pick up, they didn't have any Christmas florals or anything like that yet, but I did pick up a little bit just because, you know, the stuff will go fast. So I really hope you enjoyed the video and the haul, and I just want to thank you for being here. And if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so grateful for you. And if you are new to my channel, I would love for you to consider being part of my YouTube family. All right, everybody, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.